Welcome to Whiteboard Entrepreneur's first episode, and today we'll understand what is marketing. Yes, we all hear this term a lot, whether being digital, transactional, diversity, or the famous one, word of mouth marketing. Let's get the hold of it. The term marketing primarily includes advertising, selling, communications, and a lot of branding through events and exhibitions. As a discipline, it includes all the actions a company undertakes to draw in customers and maintain relationship with them. It could mean networking with potential or past clients, playing golf with prospective clients, or simply meeting clients for a cup of coffee or a meal. There's this famous marketing mix which lays the foundation of the 4 P's of marketing: product, pricing, place, and promotion. We'll be making a separate video to cover this marketing mix. Be sure to subscribe to this channel to stay updated. Lastly, remember, marketing at its core is to take a product or service to the market, identify the target customer, and draw the customer's attention to the product or service available. With that being said, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to smash that like button down there and subscribe for future updates.